tell us about yourself?
Hi, my name is Mohammad Tawhidul Haq. I'm currently pursuing Masters of Engineering in University of Wollongong. This is my second semester. Before that, I have completed my undergraduation from North South University in Civil Engineering in 2018. And then I started working in a private company in Bangladesh, and I worked there in position as a assistant civil engineer, and it was a project site, and the project was construction of a school building. And while working there, I was thinking about my future career and my studies as well, and I was thinking of pursuing higher studies, and then I selected Australia as the condition and the weather is similar to my home country. So I got admitted in UW, and yeah, it's been a year almost, and I'm enjoying Australia as much as I can.
Can you describe a time where you had to work in a diverse team? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them?
So the diverse team would be the first day I went to work. So it was my first experience in a working in a site as well, in a construction site. So the first thing that caught my eyes was the safety issues. Like most of the worker was not using proper equipment when working on a height. And when after seeing for 2 3 days, I was discussing with my assistant engineer, and we are discussing about putting up more safety restriction before working. But most of the worker were used to wearing safety harness and helmets. They used to say that it's inconvenience for them when they work at a height with a helmet and a harness. So inconvenience is more problematic for them than the safety of their life. So what happened after 2 weeks? One worker was working on the end of the third floor. It was a retaining wall for the lift. So he was working on top of the third floor, and accidentally he slipped, and he wasn't wearing any safety harness, and he fell from third floor. And because we had safety nets surrounding the construction site, he got caught in one of them, and by God, he didn't got heavily injured. He had only few cuts and bruises. That's it. And after this incident, the next day our project engineer comes, and he have a meeting with the whole team and the workers, and he told everyone to follow the safety precautions, and made me the safety manager and for that project site as well. So I would follow up with the workers and make sure that all the safety equipments and all the safety factors are followed before working there.
Can you please describe a time when you have used your technical competence to solve a problem which resulted in a positive or productive outcome?
So if I want to describe on that, that would be a really recent, recent thing that happened as I was doing one of my courses. There was a product pitch. We had to invent or like make a product out of scratch, and then we had to pitch it, and it has to fulfill one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as well. So when we are thinking what kind of product or to pitch, the team was thinking redesigning any of the existing unit. We were thinking as a product. So what I came up with, I told them in the meeting that I have prior knowledge of 3D designing, and I can make a product from scratch with the dimensions if I have, and other components if I know what are theirs for the unit. And I researched about the units, and I made a design 3D model out from scratch. And we finished our presentation with that model, and our tutors were really happy because none of the other team came up with that in-depth 3D model with all the components blowout slides. So they were really happy with our presentation, and at the end, my team was really impressed and happy with me because I knew how to do 3D modeling. So yeah, it was a really good experience.
Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, if you guys don't mind, I would like to know a few things. So the first question would be, what kind of candidate you are looking for this job, and how am I compared to that candidate? How I stand against him? And my second question would be, is there any training involved with this position? Uh, and the third one and the last one would be, uh, how's the office culture? Because that's an important part when you are working in an environment as well. Um, so I would like to know that as well. So thank you.